During a clearance sale, the price has been reduced by 20%. If the calculator was sold for 220 before reduction, find out its price at the clearance sale. Very simple. Okay. Now selling price before reduction is given 240. There is a 20% reduction. So 240 minus 20%, you will get the answer. Correct? So selling price before reduction is rupees 250 less, this is called as trade discount, correct? Trade discount at the rate 20%, which is rupees 250 into 20%. So 250 into 20% will become 50, which is 200. This is selling price after reduction. Okay. Next question. A dealer sold 2 book racks for rupees 4,800 each. On one he gained 20% and on another he lost 20%. Find out the dealer's gain or loss on his transaction. Okay. A dealer sold 2 books for 2 book rack for rupees 4,800. So selling price for both is same, 4,800 each. Okay. So let's see for the first book rack. Okay. Let's find out. On one he gained 20% and on another he gained on another he lost 20%. So first book rack, selling price is 4,800 and he gained 20%. Okay. Selling price is 4,800 and profit percent is equal to 20%. This is given. You need to find out cost price or you need to find out profit. Let's find out the dealer's gain on his transaction. Okay, fine. Find both. You have to find out profit also and cost price also. Okay. So let cost price be X. Let cost price be 100. Okay. Then profit will be 20. Selling price will be 120. Correct? If 120 is 4,800, how much is profit and how much is cost price? So profit is equal to 4,800 into 20 upon 120 and cost price is equal to 4,800 into 100 upon 120. Please tell me how much is profit and how much is cost price. 4,800 multiplied by 20 divided by 120. Correct? 800. So profit comes to 800. And selling price comes to, cost price comes to 4,000. So 4,000. So on the first book rack, when he is making a profit of 20%, the cost price is 4,000, profit is 800 and selling price is 4,800, which is given. Okay. Now second book rack. On second book rack, selling price is given as 4,800, which is same, but loss percentage is given, which is 20%. You have to find out cost price as well as loss. Okay, find out both. So let cost price be 100, then loss will be 20, then selling price will be 80. Correct? And this 80 is 4,800. So how much is loss and how much is cost price? So here okay. Again here, let's calculate. Loss is equal to 4,800 into 20 divided by 80. Okay. And cost price is equal to 4,800 into 100 divided by 80. Calculate. 4,800 into 20 divided by 80. It comes to 1,200. Okay. So 1,200 is the loss. And 4,800 into 100 divided by 80. It comes to 6,000. So this comes to 6,000. Okay. So in the second bicycle, no, not bicycle, sorry, book rack, cost price is 6,000, loss is 1,200, selling price is 4,800. Okay. Now what is the question? Find out the dealer's gain loss on his transaction. So total gain or total loss. On first one he is making profit of 800. On second one he is making loss of 1,200. That means there is a loss. Right? On first book rack he is making profit of 800. On second book rack he is making loss of 1,200. Correct? So that means total loss would be 1,200 minus 800, or you can, the cost price, total cost price, the total selling price also. Okay, so cost price minus selling price you can do, that also you can do. Okay. I'll write it like this. Total cost price. Total cost price of 2 racks is equal to 6,000 plus 4,000. Right? 4,000 plus 6,000, which is 10,000. Okay. Total selling price of 2 racks is equal to, selling price is 4,800 plus 4,800, which is already given, right? 4,800 into 2, which is 9600. Okay, so loss here, cost price is more and selling price is less, so there is a loss. So loss is equal to selling price minus cost price, selling price minus cost price, or you can write total selling price minus total cost price. Okay, which is 9600, sorry, it's a loss. Cost price minus selling price, 10,000 minus 9,600, which is rupees 400. Okay, and 400 is the loss. You need percentage loss also, correct? So loss percent would be loss upon cost price into 100. Loss is 400, cost price is 10,000 into 100, right, which is 4%. So overall loss is 4%. Very simple. On the sale of first book rack, there was profit of 20%. So you calculated profit as well as cost price. On the second book rack also, there was a loss of 20%. You calculated cost price as well as the loss. Okay. Now when you know the total cost price, you know cost price of both the racks, total it. Cost selling price of both the racks, total it. Okay, so loss would be cost price minus selling price, which is 400. So percentage loss and percentage. So you know the loss amount, you can calculate percentage loss. Okay, let's see the next question. An article is marked as rupees 150. A trader allows a discount of 3% and still gains 20% on the cost. Find the cost price of the article. Mark price is given as 150. Trader allows a discount of 3%. So trader allows a discount of 3%. You can calculate selling price. Correct? So let's calculate. Catalog price or mark price is rupees 150. So catalog price marked price is given as rupees 150 less discount at the rate 3%. So 150 into 3%. It comes to how much? I think 4.5. Okay, so now you know selling price is 150 minus 4.5, which comes to 145.5. Okay, now selling price is 145.5 and still gains 20%, on the cost. Now let's, you know the selling price, you have to find cost. When you know the selling price and you have to find cost, so what you will do, let cost price be 100. Okay, so let cost price be rupees 100, then profit is 20%, so rupees 220, then selling price will be 120 and selling price is 145.5. find the cost price. So cost price of article will be 145.5 into 100 divided by 120. So 145.5 into 100 divided by 120. So it comes to 121.25 rupees, 121.25. Okay. Two more questions and that's it for the day. A retailer buys a product at 20% trade discount on a catalog price of rupees 5,000. He sells it at a catalog price. Okay. What is the profit made by him? What percent of profit made by the retailer? Very simple. A retailer buys a product at 20% trade discount on a catalog price of rupees 5,000. So catalog price is 5,000. Catalog price is equal to rupees 5,000. And he buys at a discount, at a trade discount of 20%. So less trade discount at the rate 20%. So which is 5,000 into 20%, which comes to rupees 1,000. Correct? Now this 5,000, a retailer buys a product at 20% trade discount. So for him this is his cost price. 5,000 minus 1,000, which is 4,000. He is buying a product for 5,000 minus 20% discount. That means for him, for the retailer, cost price is 4,000. And he sells it at a catalog price. That means selling price is equal to catalog price. That means selling price is equal to 5,000. Cost price is 4,000, selling price is 5,000. What is the profit made by him? So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, which is 5,000 minus 4,000, which is rupees 1,000. Okay. What percent of profit made by the retailer? Okay. So profit percent. Profit percent is equal to profit upon cost price into 100. So 1,000 upon 4,000 into 100. So which comes to 25%. Okay. Let's see the next problem. This is last problem for the day. A manufacturer allows 20% trade discount and earns 25% profit on the cost price if the marked price of the article is rupees 781.25. Find the cost price. Okay. So marked price is equal to rupees 781.25. Trade discount is at the rate 20%. So 781.25 into 20%. 781.25 into 20%. It comes to 156.25. 156.25. 786 minus 156.25 is the selling price for the manufacturer. $781.25 minus 186.25. It comes to 630. Okay, selling price comes to rupees 630. Okay. A manufacturer allows 20% trade discount and earns 25% profit on the cost price. If the marked price of the article is 781.25, find the cost price. Now you know the selling price, you know the profit percentage, you need cost price. So whenever you need cost price, what you will do? Let cost price be X 100. Let cost price be rupees 100. Okay. Then profit would be, then profit is 25%, so rupees 25, which will make selling price rupees 125. If 125 is rupees 630, how much is cost price? Right? So cost price is equal to 630 into 100 divided by 125. Just a second, I have made a calculation error. 781.25 minus 156.25. I think it comes to 625. Wait. Yeah, 786. I have made a calculation error. Wait. I did not type properly. Okay. 781 it is, not 786. 781.25 minus 156.25. 156.25. It comes to 625. Okay. Please make the corrections. Oops. This is rupees 625. Okay. Yeah. Rupees 625. If 125 is rupees 625, how much is 100? Okay. Okay. Now calculate. 625 into 100 divided by 125. 625 into 100 divided by 125. It comes to 500. So rupees 500. So cost price is equal to rupees 500. That's it for the day, students. Have a great day.